Is how do you think that partnerships with NGOs like Worldwide Radiology can help to support you, help you with the challenges that you face on a daily basis? How do you think these partnerships are an asset to you?
These partnerships are really very vital to us because the government on themselves, they have got a lot of priorities, and sometimes they services or what they would have loved to do in radiology to trickle down to the facilities. It takes long, and radiology to improve. We have various things which we can work with the non-governmental organizations like Worldwide Radiology.
Yeah.
The first problem we are having is infrastructure. The infrastructure currently is an old infrastructure which was constructed years ago. Second thing is equipment. Ministry has tried to procure equipment, but since it has a lot of hospitals where it is supplied, most of the facilities have very old equipment. Though they have introduced the digital systems in most of the facilities, and Queens has benefited with one digital X-ray machine, which we are currently using, and also some trainings. As you know, in Malawi we didn't have any formal training, especially in ultrasound. And these coming imaging systems like CT, MRI, these trainings like short-term trainings and also long-term trainings. This is part of capacity building, strengthening of the human resource. Then the other thing is in research, not all things have been discovered. So the non-government organization can assist us to do more research in radiology so that in 5-6 years we move from where we are and advance forward.
Okay, yeah, that's very good.
Yes.
Yeah, I just want to ask you, Ephraim, have you been supported by or have you had any collaboration with non-governmental organizations which have benefited you, your practice? What is your experience with partnerships?
As you know, Malawi is a resource-limited setting. The partnership with the NGOs help us, especially as Malawi is a poor country and our services are not up to the standard. So the aim is to for the services in radiology to be up of international standard. So the partnership sometimes help in terms of training, as George has put it, long-term and short-term training that brings about competence in the imaging department. And also the partnership, they help in form of research, because as of now we depend on outside the data. For example, a normal kidney size we are using from outside Europe, but we don't have the data to show us the normal kidney size for Malawi. So these are the key areas that partnership with NGOs can take the radiology department to the highest level in areas of research, in areas of radiation safety and quality assurance, as well as in equipment and infrastructure, as George has stated.
That's really interesting. I think that's it for today.
Okay.
Thank you very much for your time and your contribution. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You are welcome.
Thank you.